These are Spy Quanta frames, and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the lenses. So to remove the lens, you're going to take one hand on the upper side of the frame and you're going to pull outwards while pushing down on the lens to push it out, like so. Again, you're going to pull and push. Okay. Now that we've taken out the lenses, to replace them or to reinstall them, we're going to take this side of the lens and put it into the corresponding grooves on the far side of the frame. Now you want to make sure that side goes in first, and then all you have to do is pop in the rest. Again, far side of the lens into the far side of the frame. You slide it in and pop the rest in. And that's it.